In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to score the best deals and unique items on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or dipping your toes into Marketplace for the first time, I've got some essential tips to help you find what you're looking for efficiently and effectively. First off, it's crucial to know exactly what you want. Make a detailed list of the items you're on the hunt for and set a clear budget. Decide whether you're aiming for something new, like new, or gently used. This will help you stay focused and avoid impulse buys. Remember, using precise keywords could make all the difference. Sellers often use creative descriptions, so think beyond the obvious. Try vintage wooden chair rather than just old chair. Once you've got that down, using filters effectively is your next step. Set your location distance to keep it local for convenience, but don't shy away from slightly broader searches to uncover hidden gems. Narrow your search using categories to weed out irrelevant listings. Sticking to your budget is easy with the price slider, and with the condition filter you can specify whether you're interested in new, used, or refurbished items. Searching smartly is the key to success. Sometimes it pays to brainstorm different keywords, synonyms, or even misspellings that a seller might use. Check listings often because the best deals don't hang around for long. Organizing results by newest ensures you're one of the first to see the latest items. When you find something you like, don't be shy to negotiate. Politely proposing a lower price can often yield positive results. Knowing the market price through comparing similar listings can give you leverage. If you're eyeing multiple items from the same seller, consider bundling for potential savings. And remember, it's perfectly okay to walk away if it doesn't feel right. There are always other deals out there. On the quest for unique items, focus your searches on keywords like vintage, handmade, or collectible. Some treasures aren't in stores anymore and make perfect finds for collectors or those looking for something out of the ordinary. Following sellers who frequently post rare items can be a great strategy as well. Checking the seller's reputation is crucial. Look at their ratings and reviews, but don't dismiss new sellers who might have great deals. Just make sure to ask questions if needed. Avoid any listings that seem too good to be true or lack clear images. Before sealing the deal, always inspect items in person if possible. Meeting in a safe public place is essential for the transaction. Examine the item for any damage or missing parts. When it comes to electronics, testing them on site can prevent post-purchase surprises. Act fast when you spot a good deal. Popular items tend to get snatched up quickly. If it looks like a fair price and the condition seems acceptable, don't linger too long on your decision. Utilize alerts to stay ahead of the curve. By saving your searches and enabling notifications, you get immediate updates on new listings, giving you that vital edge over other buyers. Finally, be patient. Sometimes the best deals require a little waiting. Make it a habit to check the marketplace regularly, especially during weekdays when competition is less fierce. With a bit of persistence and these tips in hand, you're set to become a smart shopper on Facebook Marketplace.